So SenseImage is the one company, it's been India's first drone testing center. So we have been building our own drone testing center in Sri Perumbudur. It's one of the biggest facility in India, and we are the number one now.
Unmanned aerial vehicle.
There are plenty of solution you can solve with this drone.
Coconut harvesting through drones. So will it be more affordable comparing manual harvesting?
ಸರ್ವದೇಶ ಕಲ್ವಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯர்களுக்கு ಕಲ್ವಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಗರಿ ಮದುರೈ